สบายดีมาเด้อทุกคนกินลวกปลาหมึกเจ้าส้มเนื้อปลาหมึกครับมักละอีกเดือนแซ่บๆเด้อ
Okay, you guys not gonna go look at my dead body. Jacko, you should have trusted Rachel. Yeah. Are you taking a selfie?
No, I'm not. I'm not walk through this door. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video so far.
Everybody, Rainbow is pretty pro at this. Musical chairs. Don't look for the broken ones, alright? Or they break. I will win musical chairs. I'm great at smacking it out of people's hands.
What if I don't remember your chair?
You want to steal my chair? You think that's a good idea? Here. Here.
Well, there's plenty of chairs for everyone. So
Rainbow, this is for you.